welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, hi, I'm Anastasia. If you are a returning subby, thank you so much for sticking around. And I know I have taken a really long break from YouTube, but I am slowly coming back. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm at RAMADA hotel in SALAAM. So yeah, I'm gonna show you around, and I'm here with my fam, my aunt and my baby brother. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Ingia, Amen.
Little picture.
So yeah, if you guys happen to like this, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. So I just woke up, and it is day 2 of being here, and today I just plan to go swimming. I don't know if I'm going to go swimming and just enjoy the beach, because the beach is really beautiful. And so I just got done with my breakfast, and my mom and my little brother are downstairs. They went for a swim, so I came upstairs because I wanted to change. Then I am also going to join them. So right now I decided to also grab my camera and take you guys along. To be quite honest, there's this chandelier that just stills my heart. I don't know if you've guys, I am a very big fan of chandeliers, so like this baby just stole my heart. Like, it's so beautiful, and it goes down to the first floor. It's really beautiful. But yeah, let's go swimming. swim. Sema, sema chochote, acha takusema.